Brad Hall here, and I've got an exciting one for you today. I've got the viral sensation, the Jesus shoes, and I am going to talk about them. And then after I talk about them, I'm going to try to answer this question: is this shoe the ultimate flex shoe? In my hands right now, the Jesus shoe, Mischief, a cool agency out of a cool city, Brooklyn, New York. They sent this to me, and they came up with this concept, kind of poking fun at the collabs. This one is an imagined collaboration between Nike and Jesus. They've packed so many cool details into this collaboration. If you smell it, it's supposed to smell like frankincense, which I've never smelled before, but it definitely has an odor in there. You've got some smaller details too. Right on these laces, you've got a nice metal charm, some writing on it, which is a Bible verse, which is about Jesus walking on water. And then down here in this air bubble, it is filled with water. So it's kind of like walking on water, which is a very cool concept. It's unlike anything I've seen before. So now I try to answer the question, is this shoe the ultimate flex shoe? Now, why is it a good flex shoe? Number one, prestige, having that Jesus name attached to it. It doesn't get much bigger than that. Then you've got price at a retail price of $14.25, very expensive, and it sold out quickly. Now it's going for even more than that, so it's an expensive shoe. When you wear an expensive shoe, that is definitely a flex. It's got the scarcity factor. It's important that a flex shoe have cool factor. This definitely does. Like I said, that water in the air bubble, that will turn some heads out in public. Now the last factor is hype. It is going viral as we speak. Let me just check my notes here. It's already been on Seth Meyers, Daily Blast Live, menshealth.com, the Tech E-blog, 98 Rock, Tampa Bay's rock station, K102, Minnesota's country station, and Dwyer and Michaels, 97X, the classic rock authority. It has a lot of qualities that a flex shoe should have, but I don't think it's the ultimate flex shoe, not quite at least. Here's why. Number one of the biggest indicators of a flex shoe, has PJ Tucker, a notorious shoe hound, worn it in an NBA game? He has not yet, so that could change, but as of now, it's a strike against it. Number two, it's not officially licensed. Nike did not produce the shoe, and Jesus' estate did not sign off on it. The final reason it's not quite the ultimate flex shoe, there are more expensive shoes that you can wear. The Nike Yeezys, the M&M, Michael Air Jordan 4. You could even wear 2 gold nuggets on your feet. So not quite the ultimate flex shoe, but a very good candidate. That was the show today. Please come back and watch me again.